settles, soft and gray. The window's crying, washing the day. There's a quiet ache, a familiar friend that visits when the daylight ends. It wraps around me, a heavy cloak I've worn, and suddenly a different time is born. And the old days come calling on the falling rain, every memory a joy and a sting of pain. I can hear the echoes of a distant laugh in a faded, long-forgotten photograph. This wave of sorrow, bittersweet and deep, wakes the gentle ghosts I thought were fast asleep. I'm back on that porch swing in the July heat, the smell of cut grass and dusty feet. You were telling stories, your eyes so bright. We thought that summer would never lose its light. We made our promises to the setting sun, never knowing we were halfway done. And the old days come calling on the falling rain, every memory a joy and a sting of pain. I can hear the echoes of a distant laugh in a faded, long-forgotten photograph. This wave of sorrow, bittersweet and deep, wakes the gentle ghosts I thought were fast asleep. Time has a way of turning into mist, a face you can't touch, a voice that you've missed. But tonight they're so clear, they're so near and true. And for a moment it's just me and you. Yeah, for a moment it's just me and you, listening to the echoes in the rain. Just a beautiful, gentle pain, and the ghosts sleep again till the next time it rains.